When things go wrong during a snowstorm, these are the guys who come to the house and bail you out. Their first advice, turn up the heat at least to 68 degrees.
It's not worth a few pennies you save by turning the heat down. It keeps the pipes from freezing, especially the pipes that run up the outside walls.
Then make sure your carbon monoxide detectors are working.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide is a killer, the silent killer.
Check the dryer vent and any other exhaust vents in the house.
They get blocked by snow and create a real problem.
Next, know where the main water valve is located and how to shut it off. Captain, when I have to find the water main in my house, I have to ask my wife, but it's really important to know where it is and how to shut it off.
Exactly. Every house has a domestic water line coming in, usually on the street side of the house in the basement. So you want to make sure you have access to it, nothing's blocked. And if you have a break in your house, come right down and turn the water off.
And to keep pipes that are prone to freezing from doing so, leave the faucet dripping. And if you do get a frozen pipe,
do not use a blowtorch. Do not. A hair dryer will work fine to thaw it out. Just be patient.
Now that's a man who speaks from experience. Now after tomorrow's snow, we are expecting a deep freeze. So one other bit of advice, stock up on the rock salt or the ice melt to clear the walkways and the steps. It's going to get very icy.